Understanding Tarot Reading, a tool for self-discovery. Welcome to this presentation on tarot reading. Today, we'll explore how tarot cards are not tools of fortune-telling, but rather instruments of self-reflection and personal growth. Through the use of symbolic imagery and intuitive interpretation, tarot can help us understand our inner world and guide our decisions with greater clarity. What is tarot reading? A tarot reading uses a deck of 78 cards, divided into the Major and Minor Arcana. Each card carries a specific meaning that, when interpreted together, reveals insights about your past, present, and potential future. However, tarot is less about predicting events and more about offering guidance. It acts as a mirror to your thoughts and emotions, helping you navigate life's challenges and choices through introspection. The tarot deck structure. The tarot deck is divided into two main parts. The Major Arcana, consisting of 22 cards, represents life's significant lessons and spiritual milestones, such as the Fool, the Lovers, or the World. The Minor Arcana, with 56 cards, delves into everyday matters and is divided into 4 suits: Cups, Pentacles, Swords, and Wands, each symbolizing an aspect of daily life like emotions, finances, intellect, and creativity. Together, these cards create a language of symbols that guide personal understanding. How a tarot reading works. A tarot reading begins with the querent, that's the person seeking insight, forming a clear, open-ended question. The reader then shuffles the deck and lays out the cards in a specific pattern known as a spread. Each position in the spread holds a symbolic meaning, and the interpretation combines the card's message, its location, and the connection between surrounding cards. Finally, intuition and personal insight help weave these symbols into a meaningful narrative, offering guidance and understanding of the querent's situation. Purpose of tarot readings. The true purpose of tarot is empowerment. It's a reflective tool designed to promote self-discovery, helping you recognize your emotions, patterns, and choices. Tarot also acts as a form of coaching, illuminating possibilities rather than predicting fixed outcomes. Through emotional exploration, the cards help highlight areas needing healing or attention, inviting growth and balance in your life.